They're fighting for it. Fuck it. Oh my god, look at the one. Look at the one just on the wall. Jesus Lord. Holy fuck. One just came. Their doors open. They're going for that big ass. They're going for the big bread. But we want them dead. They don't see that bread right there. There's some bread. Oh, look. A baby bird just flew over there. Oh, look behind us. Right there. There's a one lonely one. He left. Right there. No, closer. Right there. No, closer. Right there. Like, what would you do? Stop. You could scare him. I know. Stop recording. Why? Lovebirds are over there. By the big red. Look at the little birdies. I just had to walk. I'm gonna go. Then I'm gonna make a track over here. Wait up. They're gonna leave, watch. A lot of baby birds left. Throw right behind us. All the way over there behind us. Seems like we can put bread on this. No, just go over here too. No. Why would like this is not bad. Get in. Joseph, look at this. Over here, the bed over here, Jacob. No. Let me make the track. Turn them back. Hurry up. Take it to the side, Jacob. So these are my back with you. Hurry up. This is dead end, yeah.